Please like my video, share my video, and please subscribe to my video. Growing up, parents always said children should be heard and not seen. I notice in relationship, women are not heard. The reason for me saying this, sometimes a woman is in a relationship and if she said to her spouse, I am hurting, they don't understand that the woman is hurting. A simple little things will hurt a woman and it may not be offensive to you as a man. Take that and note that well. Sometimes you say woman miserable. These are the things why women are miserable. When woman cannot be heard, they are miserable because all of the frustration is left inside. Them get up all of the right yourself. Another thing, being heard. If you're having a conversation with a man or your partner, sometimes they'll get upset and talk over you and then end up start browbeating you on top of it. And all know your little 2 cents can't go up on the table. Your little voice can't be heard. Relationship is how you communicate. Communication is important in relationship. Healthy communication. If I'm saying that this is the salt shaker, you say to me, no, that no is salt shaker. Because me know say, I hit a salt shaker. I don't know hit a salt shaker. Men, you don't know everything. And you must know the fact that you don't know everything. Women don't know everything either. We all have to stand corrected. But when your pint can't come on the table, where do you go from there? When you're in a conversation with your spouse, and I'll know your point can go on the table. How you feel as a woman? How do you express yourself? One, the man no want nobody knowing business. If you're not hearing out your woman, give your woman a seat at the table. Give your woman some say so. When a woman don't have any say so, she's miserable because she cannot talk to you who should be her best friend. You don't understand. If she says she's hurting, it come like nothing to you. You just brush it off. Let me tell you something. And let me tell you this. A lot of times women go to them bed and then cry. Them pillar full of water. Them not tell no man what them a go through. Some of them end up dead in their sleep. Some of them end up left the relationship because it's just like a battle. Every day, you cannot get anywhere in a conversation. Because some of them man, you know, they want to prove to you, say, for them tongue longer and for you, and then can trace more than you. Women ought to be respectful. I'm not saying to disrespect a man. Women need to have that respect for your spouse. At the same time, spouse, respect your woman when she says she's not feeling well. Respect that. Respect your woman when she need a say so. But in a relationship, that a woman should shut them mouth at all times. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth, you chat too much. Listen, men. That's how your father used to talk to your mother, or how your mother used to talk to your father. That you can talk to a woman this way. Every woman like to talk. Women like to talk. That's how they express their feelings. And if you don't let a woman talk what's inside of her, what she's feeling, how you expect to have a comfortable life? Tell me. It's not all about you in the relationship, men. And women, it's not all about you. You have to meet each other halfway. If a partner love them partner, they will change certain attitude for them. I'm not saying you're supposed to come and change people. I'm not saying that. Are me there to change you, or you there to change me? You know, work so. But when you have a partner, you have to work together with your attitude. Do things with it pleasing to each other. Your heart. In a relationship, you have a heart. If you hurt this heart, you're hurting yourself. And if I hurt your heart, I'm hurting myself. So partner, please, give the woman like a say so now. Some woman can't talk none at all. And can't talk, and can't cough, and can't do nothing. And men, please allow your woman to do things. In a relationship, when a man go tell a woman say, if you're gonna buy this, I have to sanction everything. And then I go and do it. I go and do that. What you leave the woman to do? What part can the woman play? Women like to change house and pull up house and put house yes and put house there. So a man will come and he make all it nice if he see he place rearrange. You know what I normally say? Me now work with no Miss Jane. So if me go have a relationship and me go have a Miss Jane, we go come and me fix the curtain. So Miss Jane I go tell me say I saw a curtain for fix. Yes, you can talk. But women know if you decorate place. Some men are good at it too, you know. I'm not gonna fight a man down on their idea. But women like them place look a certain way. Men, have a man, come. You want everything in a blue. No, you can get some in a blue. But everything can be in a blue. Give woman look her favorite color too. You come, you want decorate, you want take everything where woman for do. No work, no have no label, you know. But allow your woman to decorate the place. Allow your woman to do things. Because someone not take away from no man role and not take away woman role, and the woman not play no part in a relationship. It's just one have the angle and the woman have the blade. Anytime a woman can get a say so in our relationship, woman miserable. Woman not happy. And if a woman is not happy in a relationship, a judgment turn upside down. So men, appreciate your partner. Women, do the same. Appreciate your partner. Love each other. Good communication, avoid conflict. Yes, disagreement is a must. But how you handle disagreement, how you handle it. Everybody I try to get, me I try to get right, you I try to get right, the other one I try to get right, me I try to get right. No. The I and the me should come out a relationship. If I disagree with you, we agree to disagree. We must come to some agreement. Meet me halfway, me meet you halfway. Some compromise. But no. I've seen men who don't care about women. Them want women as their slave and contribute financially to the relationship. Them don't care about nothing else. They don't care about the woman's feelings or the woman feel. If a woman saying sick, a man I go say, oh, you mean you're sick? Are you feeling the illness? Are you in that person's shoe? I've seen some cold-hearted men who have no empathy towards women. And I'm telling you straight up, most of these men, or some of these men, they are hurt in relationship. They don't wait until the healing comes. Them run gone in our other relationship. And then damage that the woman there, and then come damage that other woman here. A woman, if she leave a relationship, she will stay and heal. But men, you have too much damage, men, when their umbilical cord not cut from their mother. And them have bad childhood. Them have bad childhood, and then them bring them bad attitude to relationship. When you tell these family member about their son or their brother, them have it to say you are the problem, which the narcissist hide, the manipulation hide, everything about them hide under the umbrella. They portray to people the type of person they expect them to be. But behind closed door, the narcissist behind closed door, where una browbeat woman, una fi stop it. Una know say una have them personality, yeah? A lot of things go on with a partner behind closed door where people not talk. And you see them every day, happy. But if you should know their life story, it would send a different signal and paint a different message. Not everything you see glitter is gold. Relationship have ups and relationship have downs. But when you're in a conversation and the person want to talk over you at the same time, two people can't talk at the same time. Words should be with honey, not with vinegar. If you're correcting a woman about something, say for example, this is a room spray, okay? And I thought that it's a cologne, okay? And you're gonna say, you should read the label to see that it is a room spray and not a cologne. But me looking at it now, it look like a cologne to me. The bottle. You never know, so you're supposed to read it. You spray it and you not read it. And you know, honey, you know you should have looked at the label and see that it is a room spray and not a cologne. You see the difference? You should have looked on it. You should have read it. You should have known it's a room spray and not cologne. So you ain't go high school. So what you go to school for? It's not what you say, it's how you say it. Men must know how to approach women, and women must know how to approach men. Approach it with honey. Yes, that's how it's supposed to go. Approach it with vinegar. No, you come off wrong. They always say I'd speak about the men and not the women. I'm speaking to both men and I'm speaking to both women. I have a lot of men who follow me. I thank you for the follow. And I really do appreciate you. I'm trying to express something to you that can make you your relationship more spicy, more better. I want you to know why some women miserable at times. When you come, buy one little something, even one little candy pan a stick, one little chocolate for sweeten up a relationship, spice up a relationship. Buy flowers. Women like nice things. Buy nice cologne. You don't have to go buy expensive one. Buy something for spice up a relationship. Take out your woman. Somehow no man, from the day you no married to your woman, you no have the woman in your house and put on your woman like a furniture. No dusting. All you want to do, bed use, cook food, wash clothes, take care of picnic, and that's it. No life should be like that. Marriage is not a bandage. Relationship is not a bandage. You're supposed to spice up. Chicken can cook many different ways. Spice up your relationship. Go out together. Do things together. Sometimes leave the children at granny and go out. Do things that can make you both happy. Ignite the fire. Ignite the sparks. Don't throw a damp on it. Good men are hard to find. Good women are hard to find. And when you have your partner, work with your partner. Some men so abusive, not with hand, with their mouth. Men and women do the same thing too. Know what you're doing. Somebody's child, blood run through everybody's vein, and it also run through yours. So from today, do a little something different. Men, buy a little flowers can give your woman. Make write a secret postcard, put it on all under a pillar. Something nice will make your woman laugh. Because when you start browbeat a woman, in nature dead. Your feelings now did they? Because every time you do these things, you're killing the woman's feelings. That's why you say woman miserable. They don't want you to touch them. Because what? You use words to pour vinegar on the poor feelings. No feelings, no do they again. You have a nice man, them, you know. When they make love to the woman, you know, they say thank you. Yeah. Each time they make love to the woman, they say thank you. You have them kind of man there. Then we pull out the chair for you. Then we open the car door for you. Then I make you touch door. Then they're like a gentleman, you know. Not everybody stay that way. But you need to come back to the love that you love. Your spouse. So, gentlemen, I'm addressing you tonight. Me have some good gentleman pan you, you know. Me don't know if me have no bad one. But I'm not addressing you tonight. Please, do what is right. That's why women are miserable. When you say harsh words to them, you kill them feelings. And they are not telling you that each time you do it, the feeling just cut till it cut off, till woman gone. You don't know why woman gone because you and the woman never have a cuss. You know why woman gone? Feelings dead. No longer interested. Please like, please subscribe. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.